What's up, everybody? Yamez with Allen Metal Forge. I traveled from the safety and warmth of my island to the frozen tundras of the north in Pennsylvania here to visit and hang out with Charming Hollow Forge, Hans Groff. Actually, I had to pick up some coal. I'll show you guys a bit of that throughout this video, and today, you guys are going to be watching this after the fact, but during my live stream on Saturday, we swung a two-handled sledgehammer, 26 pounds, and I'm going to show you a bit of footage from that, like kind of behind the scenes of the live, because I'm just going to set you guys up recording a bit of the live stream. Just a really cool, he hand forged a 26-pound, two sledgehammers, two-handled sledgehammer, and it's going to be a blast. Hans is a fantastic artist blacksmith. He won an award for a piece that he worked on, the Trail of Tears. It's a Indian war bonnet, like a headdress. He did it completely out of different metals and such. I'll show you guys a little walkover about that, and hopefully Hans will have a few things to say about it. But anyway, it's like 17 degrees right now. It's cold. So I'm going to get inside the smithy and warm up a bit and get ready for, the show tonight. Well, the show on Saturday. Anyway, I hope to get a lot of good footage of my trip up here. It's less of a here's, a project, or it's more of a here's what we did for the weekend. I've got Anson from Iveys Forge and Homestead here as well. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be, a good time, and yeah, y'all get to see me get coal and hit hot steel and play with big tools and all sorts of fun stuff. What is up, everybody in YouTube land? Let me set that camera so y'all can see the striking anvil. y'all don't even know I'm talking to you because ain't nobody in here yet. How you doing? Alrighty. There's Yamez here with Island Metal Forge. We got Anson with Iveys Forge and Homestead, and hiding behind my big head, we've got Hans Groff with Charming Hollow Forge, and we are in Charming Hollow's Forge. But anyway, what we are doing today, we've got a 3-inch by 1.5-inch round stock billet in the fire, and we are going to be playing with a double handled sledgehammer. This is 26 pounds hand forged by Mr. Hans Groff here himself, and we are going to take 3 heats and see how far we can get smushing a piece of metal to flatness. And then we'll just do the forging and hang out like I do. Hans can give us a little bit of history of what he knows and what he's learned on why he's made this beautiful piece of work. So,
oh, Mike's supposed to talk?
You can.
So, from what I know, there's not much information about them. But from what I know, they used to use them back in the day for making anchor chains at shipyards.
Yeah.
They were much bigger than these. Some of them from the pictures look to be probably close to 200 pounds. I mean, you got a 12-inch hunk of steel that's rounded with 3 handles coming out of it. They made 2-handled ones, they made 3-handled ones. So, being the history buff that I am, I did a little bit of research, and now the angles aren't right on the handles, but it works. We've done a couple of practice runs.
But this is a little bit of a confined space, so
it is.
He made it for his shop.
Yeah,
It kind of works in this shop. We did a test lift and drop to see what our clearances are up above, and we're pretty good.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I just basically went off a couple old pictures. I didn't actually see the Ethan Hardy, Mark Ling video till after I already made this.
Which, to my knowledge, is the only other
Which is the only
modern YouTube video.
Yeah, to my knowledge, yes.
What I've seen.
Yeah.
So, based off a couple old pictures and that video after the fact, which they actually, I drifted this side by side. They drifted theirs staggered. So,
Yeah. Which I could honestly see either way working.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You know, that's 26 pounds. Put it under. Wait, set. Let's aim it. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Up, down.
Woo. Good hits. Concrete. Hold. All right, let me spin it. You're getting a little.
Don't.
Yep. 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 All right. Yep. Yep.
You said yeah.
Well, okay. Stop. Go. Yep. Good. Stop. Go. When I nod my head, you hit it. Yep. 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 Got a little rhombus action going on. Yep.
Now we're just kind of trying to. Oh. All right, let's go. Yep. What? Yep. 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 Hold. Yep. 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 Yep.
And that just comes with
Yep. Hold.
a little bit of best practice.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Yep. Yep. Yep.
They're mild.
Yep. Hold. Yep. 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 Hold.
Yep. I was gonna say.
Yep. 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 Hold. Yep. 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 All right. You guys okay?
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Yep. Yep. Yep. Yep. Yep. Hold.
Hang on. Safety
Which
first.
side are you going?
I'm doing this number.
Yep. All
Hey.
by
Over the shoulder boulder holder.
All right.
All right, go. Go. Go.
Come down flat. Go.
Go. Go.
Are you telling me or yourself?
Go.
Go. Hold that.
Yeah, say it on the upswing, not the downswing.
Go. Oh, hold that.
Let's see.
You can? I'm closing my eyes every time.
Are you?
Yeah. You had yours open?
I got my eyes wide open. Go. Go. Go.
Are we trying to just kill it?
Kill it.
Go.
All right.
Go.
Hold that.
Woo.
I'll
Go.
swing.
Go. 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 Oh, Rio. Oh,
Go. Hold that. Hold that.
That took more.
What fun.
If you're an idiot.
All right. Oh yeah, good fun. Good fun.
Final dimensions.
Yeah, about half-inch thick.
So we brought, where's the tape measure?
Oh, John, it's been way past bare 30.
Yeah. We brought a 3-inch round by 1.5 inch, or 1.5 inch round by 3 inches, down to 4 inches across, a little over 4 inches across, and 1/2 inch thick.
That's after taking us to square first.
It was after taking it to square,
Trapezoidal.
trapezoidal, also it's a weird
Rhombuses.
shapes and colors. I'm going to switch over.
Hammer works.
Yep. Great hammer.
I'm going
Fun
to
one.
grab the camera here. Yes, everybody thank Bob for being an awesome moderator in the show tonight.
Good job.
Everybody thank Hans Groff. Of Charming Hollow Forge and the forgerer of the Double Handled Sledgehammer. All right.
It's a great workout.
Anson Ivey of Iveys Forge and Homestead. All right, he's on the arms today. And as always, we've got the Charming Hollow Monster. I'm going to say Good night, fire.
Good night, fire.
You all know what that means. Good night, fire. Good night, coal. Good night, embers. Good night, glow. Good night, hammer. Good night, tongs in the rack. Good night, steel. From yellow to black. Anvil is quiet, still as the tweer. Good night, blacksmiths. Everywhere.
Now give me a beer.
Now get me a beer.
Get them where you want them, and I can throw them there.
Frozen bags of coal. This corner here. Oh, it's got to be even. Right here on the stuff.
So this pallet had 49 bags. So I gave you one of mine.
All right.
Guys, like, I don't know why they bought one bag. Who buys one bag?
I should have bought those.
Cold.
Moving frozen coal. To him, not me. Moving frozen coal without gloves in the tundras of Pennsylvania. I'll hand it to you, Anson. Don't knock your back.
Get down.
Uh-huh. Yep. A literal ton of coal.
Fries are done.
My hands are frozen nuggets.
Like little fish sticks.
Yeah.
like this much when it was on the pack, did it?
Yeah.
No.
It really didn't. I guess we'll line here. And then hopefully we'll have room for you.
Imagine packing
Yeah.
that. What else did I have? A grinding wheel. The whole frame of the an old school forge. Rivet forge. Striking anvil. Plus clothing for 4 tanks.
What's gonna be fun is when this all gets back to the island and thaws.
Right. You got one bit. Oh, yours too.
No, mine's short. Probably fit 4 in there.
All right, 2,000 pounds of coal, and now we gotta pack the rest of our stuff up and, you know, see you guys back at the island. Thanks, Hans.
Yep.
Anson,
Yeah.
you guys got final words for this video? Yeah,
Like,
Hans is-
subscribe, and share.
like, subscribe, and share.
Like, subscribe, and share.
We'll catch you guys there on the island.